Welcome. Today, I bring you good news of great joy.
In the video today, I'll be sharing a potent prayer that can help you forge a deep connection with abundance. This prayer has the potential to bring about a significant influx of money into your life, leading you to feel compelled to share it with others. The experience of having abundant wealth will be overwhelming, and you'll naturally use it to pay off all your debts and attain enduring financial freedom. The prayer draws inspiration from the wisdom found in an ancient book called Consider Yourself Rich. Let us recite it together. In my personal reflection, I acknowledge and embrace myself as a person of abundant wealth and prosperity. I firmly believe that I am deserving of all the riches that exist in this vast world. Financial freedom is not only a desire but also a rightful attainment for me. I have complete confidence that money flows into my life with ease, without any resistance. I am not only successful in my endeavors but also thriving in all areas of my life. My magnetic energy effortlessly attracts wealth and prosperity towards me. I declare and affirm that poverty is merely a state of mind, and I actively dismiss all thoughts of scarcity and debt from my life in this very moment. I wholeheartedly embrace the notion that wealth and success are innate aspects of my existence. My bank account is in a perpetual state of growth, constantly expanding and reflecting my financial abundance. Each passing day brings me closer to the realization of my financial goals. I welcome and embrace large sums of money that regularly find their way into my life. I am abundantly blessed with wealth, and this affluence fills me with immense joy and gratitude. I wholeheartedly believe that whatever I generously share with others comes back to me multiplied, further enriching my life. Starting today, I cultivate a profound and intimate connection with the divine presence of God, who serves as my infinite source of abundance. I am reassured that all my needs are instantaneously met and provided for, knowing that I am divinely supported in every aspect of my life. With unwavering faith, I declare that it is already done. I express my heartfelt gratitude for all the blessings bestowed upon me. To rewire my subconscious mind towards wealth and prosperity, I commit to repeating this powerful prayer at least once every day. By consistently affirming, "Every day I am richer," I reinforce my belief in my increasing prosperity. Thank you sincerely. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.